Are we ready? Fire in the hole! There you go.
Is that all you got?
That's all we got.
Let's do that again.
It emptied.
I got more.
Should we go see if there's a dead deer down there?
Or a hog?
I thought it was louder the last time. Yeah.
You what?
Where's the dragon?
I think last time I shot a little higher. Alright, uno más tiempo.
I think there's a little more in this round of this clip, so.
Why y'all so far away? I ain't gonna shoot anybody. I'm get close, shit.
The girls are scared. I don't
They're
know
all
why.
scared. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Alright. Are y'all ready? These got tracers in them?
Yeah. All they are.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. That was better. That was a lot better.
I like it.
Alright. The cops show up. I might leave.